Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Rajesh and today in this video we'll draw a fat character, but this is the part 1 video. In the next video I'll go with the body. First we'll concentrate on the face, okay, because I usually do the face as my first preference because according to the face I'll draw the body. So let's get started with the face. So to draw the face of the fat character, I first take the circle and then I construct the cheek of the character or the construction of the face. I put my character little wider from the bottom because the cheek should be little big and curvy so that it will give the look of the fat character, okay. And I'll put the guidelines after constructing the face, and then I'll go with the ears. I'll keep it very simple, and then the nose in the center where the two lines, the horizontal line and the vertical line intersect. I'll draw a button nose, and then the eyes. While drawing the eyes, I'll attach the eyebrows so that it should come along with the eyes and it should not go beyond the eye. After drawing the eyes and eyebrows, I'll go with the mouth, which again I'll keep it very simple as smiley. And after then I'll draw the hairs. You can choose your own style of hair. Keep it very simple because here we are learning the construction and how to draw our fat character. Later on we can change the hairstyle as well. It's not a big deal. So here I am doing some detailings, you can say rough detailings, and making my lines little darker so that it will be visible properly. So that's it, you can draw your fat cartoon character, and you need to practice a lot how to make your character fatty from all the angles. This is the 3/4 one I am showing to you, and after this I'll show you few drawings, both male and female, and go through it. That's a time-lapse video, though I'll keep it little slow, okay. And yeah, that's it. So enjoy the drawing and I'll meet you in my next video.